Hi everyone. The purpose of this video is to capture a presentation that wasn't recorded that I did back in October of 2023 for the AI Everything Everywhere panel at Red Deer Polytechnic. I was only given 2 minutes at that time, so let's see if I can do this presentation again in 2 minutes. Here goes. So I've been working with neural radiance fields, or NeRF for short, to see if, in the context of animation and visual effects or real-time gaming environments, if I could use NeRF instead of what I've been using for years, photogrammetry. Now, I'm not sure if neural radiance fields can be considered in the same category of the generative AI that everyone's talking about these days, but this is the context that I was working with NeRF under. I had started with concept art generated by AI, and I'd been working with 3D models made by AI, and so on. So I decided to work with NeRF a little bit as well. So using photogrammetry, I end up with flawed results sometimes. You can see the holes in the terrain, and that's because I didn't get the proper coverage, or maybe because the photogrammetry software was fed too many images, or something along those lines. What you see here is a terrain made from photos captured with my drone. And so how is NeRF different from photogrammetry? Well, what it does is it doesn't build you a mesh made out of triangles. Instead, it builds a neural radiance field that you can load into something like Unreal. And as you'll see in a minute. So what I did with it is fed in 150 photos. And I guess I should just stop and say that unlike generative AI, NeRF is not actually controversial because it only works with the photos that you feed it. So if you can consider that training, I'm not sure. But with NeRF, I have a time machine. I want to go back and try again with a bunch of sets of photos that I shot at different locations around the world over the years. Locations such as Valparaiso in Chile. So here's one photo from a set of, as I said, 150 photos that I fed into NeRF, and notice the barrel distortion from the GoPro that I was shooting the still frames with. So after about 2 hours, this is a result I came up with, and what you're looking at here is me walking around in real time in Unreal 5 down that same narrow corridor that I had been walking down in Valparaiso. And that's everything I wanted to show. Thank you very much.